All right, so you'll remember Michelle from game 1, and probably remember Jiayang from game 2. So what'll happen now is where speed does matter. So we'll have one question, and the first person to get it right is the one who's going to win. So they've each won $500 in the TI Inspire CX. Now it's the chance to get another $500, and then the chance at the $2,000 bonus question, with which you can buy lots of boxes of pizza. So all set? Okay. So we're going to let f sub n denote the nth term of the Fibonacci sequence, which goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and on like that. When in calculating the 100th term of the Fibonacci sequence, Bill uses the recursive formula where f sub n plus 2 is f sub n plus f sub n plus 1 plus f sub n, but he makes a mistake so that his 50th term is 10 too big. So his term is the 50th term in the Fibonacci sequence plus 10. If he continues with the recursive formula and makes no other additional mistakes, then the difference between his calculated 100th term and the actual 100th term in the Fibonacci sequence is it just 10? 510? 10 times the 50th term in the Fibonacci sequence? 10 times the 51st term in the Fibonacci sequence? Or 10 times the 100th term in the Fibonacci sequence minus the 50th term, where that quantity is in parentheses? Jiayang?
Is it E?
E? 10 times the last one there?
Yes.
No.
E is incorrect.
Correct. So, Michelle, you have 60 seconds. And then if Michelle doesn't get it, Jiayang, you'll both be able to signal in again. So the timer up there in the 60 seconds is at the top corner.
Do you have to buzz?
Yeah, you buzz. If you want a button, you can buzz whenever you want. All right.
Is it D?
Is it D, 10 times F sub 51?
Yeah.
It is that one. Oh, Michelle, so you're pretty happy about that. That's good. I know you did a lot of figuring, but did you get anywhere near? It's all wrong? And so what made you choose B?
Well, I kind of figured like, okay, so I didn't want to go with the numbers because it goes 1, 1, 2, 3, and it skips 4. So I believed any just plain number was wrong. I just crossed that out.
That's good.
I thought maybe it was after 50, so I thought it was going to be like the 51, but I also considered E times 10, and I was really kind of hoping that she'd just buzz in and answer either D or E and it'd be wrong. And then I was going to answer
In fact, when nobody was looking, you hit her buzzer, and then she was forced to.
The moment where I just sat and waited, I didn't want to go first because I thought I'd help her. So I waited.
But the error accumulates, and it doesn't involve the Fibonacci terms. That's right. It's not just 10 or 100 or something like that. Jiayang, did you want to say something or ask
I
something?
was just saying the same thing. Like, I figured out.
Oh, you had it between D and E as well?
Yeah, the difference. It would just be the Fibonacci sequence times 10. So I was trying to figure out which one it was.
Okay. Yes, Michelle?
What's the Fibonacci sequence?
Oh, so you never heard of that one before?
No.
All right. So you see how you might start with 1 and 1. And so from that point on, to get the next term, you add the 2 previous terms. And it has lots of applications for things. And so that's what that formula means, the f sub n plus 2 equals f sub n plus 1 plus f sub n. And then it's named after some person, even though he might not have invented it. All right. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, so now we'll go to the bonus question for 2,000. And so, since it's worth 2,000, we call it the 2 grand prize question, but it's only one question. It's just worth 2 grand. All right, so are you all set, Michelle?
So, are you going to give me multiple choice again?
Yeah, it's multiple choice again, yeah.
It's not a buzzer though, it's a key.
Yeah, it's a keypad, but it's 5 choices.
You're the only one answering.
Okay,
Yeah.
is it timed?
It is timed, yes. You have 2.5 days. No, it's 3 minutes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, are you all set?
Wait, 1 second.
You need to take a deep breath or anything?
Okay, I'm good.
She's good. All right, here we go. And there's the 3 minutes up there. What is the average of the reciprocals of the roots of 5x cubed plus 7x squared minus 15x plus 4? Is that average? Negative 27ths, negative 15 sevenths, 5 fourths, 7 15ths, or 20 sevenths? So we see. All right. Maybe again by clapping, audience. How many people think it's A, negative 27ths? Maybe not again. How many people think it's B, negative 15 sevenths? All right. How many people think it's C, 5 fourths? By clapping. Okay. Yeah, right. We finally got one. How many people think it's D 7/15? Oh, very popular one. And how many people think it's E 27th? All right, Michelle is slinking off the table. Michelle, which one did you pick?
Pick B.
Pick B, negative 15/7?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jiayang, did you figure it out?
I didn't finish it.
You didn't finish it?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a property that polynomials have roots. If you factor them, you can find out like that the product is one part of the polynomial.
I remember that.
Well, don't take it so hard, Michelle. So you already have $1,000. The question is, and you said it was, you said B, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if it's B for another two. Is it B for $3,000? No, it was C. It was 5/4. Yes. Well, so it goes. Well, you still want $1,000. That's not too bad, is it, Michelle? No. All right. So how about a nice hand from Michelle?